Hey guys, so I was just trying to show you guys. So we did complete the doing the pillar delete for our Tesla Model Y. So this is the complete picture of how the Tesla actually look likes. Um, so as you guys can see, so I'm just waiting for just one more part to put it on the side mirrors, which is going to be a carbon fiber. Other than that, you can see like it's been tinted, and then the rooftop, we just make it all black now. As I give you guys a walk around, you can see, and sometimes it might, you might have some peelings here and there because it's a wrap, but if that happens, it's just a matter of reinforcing it and replacing it. But this is really a great wrap and a painting that was been done here. It's completely pillar deleted. So we completed all of that, and it took about maybe 3-4 hours to actually get the job done. So it's not a long time for somebody to be able to do this. It's durable. You can be able to finish this in about 3-4 hours, and we did it while it was actually raining that day. So if somebody's interested in a pillar delete for your Tesla, especially the white one, it just button everything together, makes it really, really nice. I mean, I got a lot of compliments. People will be asking me how much was it and how much, like how long does it take to make it, and if they can get it done. So if you guys are interested in this, let me know. I had the contact of the person, so he can be able to hook you up. You just have to order the parts. I mean, I love it, especially with the carbon fiber spoiler at the back, and then you button that down with the mirror. That comes all the way your back to your window, and you're able to see everything. And then you match that with the black top. My goodness, I mean, it's just like it just gives your car a whole different look, and we love it, especially if you take that and then you actually tinted your glasses also. It gives it a different factor. Um, so very soon we'll be taking this car and also added a carbon fiber side mirrors, and that will even actually complete it with a black rims. As you guys can see, it have a 21 inches the over turbine wheels with the red caliper brakes. I mean, talk about a beauty. I mean, this whole thing is just like the way it is made. um, and the process was really, really easy. It wasn't that hard at all. And compare, like, it was raining here in Washington, and the guy who came in, he actually came to the house, used the garage, and pretty much used the your outlets for the heat, um, to plug the heat in, so he can be able to put those wraps in. But other than that, I mean, it wasn't hard at all. Um, he saw me all the way, the step of the way, when he was making this. From the time he started cutting them and arranging them and laying them down, it was just an easy process at all. I gotta give that. So if anybody's interested in a job done like this, let me know. This is for our Tesla community. Um, I mean, it's just like it's just some little things. I wish Tesla actually added this option when it comes to their paints for their vehicles. I think I think they should add that into their options. I really do, because I mean, it's just like a paint like this. For their PPFs, they can be able to add this in there if somebody's interested in doing a pillar delete for um, they are both sides of their cars. I think Tesla should be able to do that. Some of us are interested in that, especially if you have a white vehicle and you just trying to dress it up a little bit. I think it's totally worth it. And just giving you guys a quick update of the vehicle. It still maintains its value. Love the vehicle. It's still fast as heck. It's a performance vehicle, so that tells you obviously it's a fast vehicle. But what I was able to do was like the inside consoles. We bought some consoles and changed the consoles that Tesla came with. Um, the brakes, however, I hardly use the brakes because of the regenerative brakes. I hardly use those. I hardly use the brakes now. So I just take my foot off the gas and it automatically brakes itself. I have to apply brakes very seldomly that I notice. So I tell people, like, if you are actually wise, it will be a long time before you actually change your brake pads, because I mean, with the regenerative brakes, I mean, the car automatically actually slows itself down. Um, Sometimes I think about putting a PPF on the vehicle just to maintain the painting, because sometimes, you know, the rocks and the chips, they actually hit the vehicle. And so sometimes I just wonder if I should just put a wrap or coating on it altogether and just forget about it. And also just giving you guys a quick walk around. Also the wheels, as you guys can see, if you notice here, it will have some scrapes on it, especially if you are making a parallel parking and you're in that side curbs. You gotta watch out for those, because it have a tendency to actually scrapes, and it's almost look like somebody piercing your heart. So just be careful with that. And also when you're driving, especially sometimes in these roundabouts, if you make those sharp turns, sometimes the vehicle, for some reason, your wheels will scrape those, because the wheels, they're a little bit far away, a little bit from the tires. They're not like inside the tires, so they're pushed out outside the tires, so that makes it a little bit difficult to actually protect those tires. Other than that, I mean, it's just like, what a beautiful car it is, as you guys can see. I mean, for us, we love it. Um, yeah, we definitely do. What do you guys think of the look of this? Is there anything that, what do you guys think? What do you guys think I should be able to add onto this vehicle as of for now? I mean, I think it's completed. The only thing I'm waiting for now is the side mirrors. I need to put a carbon fiber on it now, and that should be coming any day. If you guys are interested in sewing that, let me know in the comment sections, so I can be able to add that to into my schedule. Um, Guys, thank you so much, and happy Thanksgiving. This is a really beautiful car, to be honest. And the charging is not that bad. I mean, this is like, eventually I think we're gonna add our own charging system, just to make sure, because sometimes I feel like, you know, you're charging for so long that it's just worth it. I think we might upgrade to the Tesla, um, the $450 charging, just to charge the vehicle here. I think it makes more sense. But the regular charging that you usually buy for $250, that thing is very slow. Sometimes it takes more than 24 hours for me to get a full charge from a 20%. But other than that, I mean, it's like there's not much that I have to complain about the vehicle. Very nice. The cameras are really good cameras. Um, I don't complain about the cameras at all, especially when you're making turns and whatnot. And the lights are very bright, especially at night. It have a self auto adjusting, so I don't even have to worry about that. But other than that, I mean, guys, I mean, thank you so much for your patronism. You've been nothing but kind. I mean, we went through what, almost, now we are at about 1,000, 250, 260 subs, which is so great, because compare, like, we started like what, about a month or so, and we were able to grab that. So our goal is to get to about at least 3,000 by the end of the year, and I think we should be able to hit that, guys. I mean, share it with your friends. You know, you've shared it with your friends and whatnot. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Bye.